Right.
Pause.
Maybe we need a real pause.
Woo!
We kind of took off there.
That's the tequila talk. Okay.
Yeah. All right. Next segment. I'll
All right,
introduce
bench
you
of the
to
week?
it.
All right.
Yes.
Bench of the week.
Bench of the week. Scott.
Yeah,
your
ready?
bench of the
All
week.
right, that's crazy. I mean, people out there are probably going to turn me off as soon as I say this, but here it is. Bench of the week. Chris Johnson.
Whoa!
Chris Johnson, ladies and
Oh
gentlemen.
my God,
Chris
that's
Johnson.
crazy.
At Baltimore, they held Mendenhall last week to 45 yards. 12 carries, 45 yards. I think they're going to be down early. They're going to be catching up. They're going to be needing to throw the ball. And Chris Johnson will not get you more than 8, maybe not even 7. I'm going to go under 8 fantasy points this week.
Wow.
Just bench him.
That's a big bad call.
I'm going to look like an idiot next week if he goes off by 24, but bench him.
Bench him. My bench of the week
Yes.
is
It's going to be lame.
No, it's actually your bust of the week.
What?
So that's why I was kind of like pissed about that.
Nice.
You know what I'm saying?
Nice.
Awkward. So Jamal Charles.
Yeah.
Jamal Charles, man.
Wow.
Kansas City is not going to have a chance to run the ball. You know, they're probably going to pull like Charles will probably pull like a Mendenhall of last week. Yeah, he had that fumble that was for questionable reasons. But I'm saying that the similarity is that Charles is not going to have an opportunity to run because it's going to be a pass
So
first
far behind.
strategy because they're going to be so far behind. So
Wow.
bench
Bench him.
of the week, top 10 pick, sure. Time to bench him.
Wow.